Welcome back to the Gardening with Joe and Holly radio show. Your questions are answers moments away. You got a question, you can send it over via email, gardentalkradio@gmail.com, gardentalkradio@gmail.com, or give us a call on the Proclamation hotline brought to you by Proclamation Goods. That number, toll-free, coast to coast, 1-800-927-SHOW, 1-800-927-7469.
Proclamation Goods creates cookware for the eco-conscious home chef. Their pans are non-toxic, have a lifetime warranty, and are made in Wisconsin. Their award-winning stainless steel Proclamation Duo cookware set is a 12-inch skillet and a stock pot that doubles as a wok. Best of all, skillet and stock pot hinge together to form a Dutch oven. It's 2 pans with the versatility of 10, empowering you to cook more with less. If you care about your health and strive for a more sustainable lifestyle, then Proclamation Goods is for you. Supplies limited, so orders now proclamationgoods.com.
All right, let's go to the questions. This question is sponsored by Fleet Farm and fleetfarm.com.
I have been growing garlic for about 5 years. It seems my garlic bulbs get smaller each year. I'm going to cut my scapes off today to see if that helps. My question is, when do I harvest the bulb? When the leaves are brown? I don't want another bag of healthy plants that I don't want to have another big healthy plant that produces a small size bulb. Help.
All right. That comes from Ted. Thank you for the question, Ted. The best time to harvest your garlic is 3 to 5 weeks after you've cut the scapes off. We're talking about hardneck garlic. Or whenever the lower 2 sets of leaves from the ground up are dry or are dying back. That's the best time. And when we harvest our garlic, we set aside the largest bulbs, which will contain the largest cloves, in which we will plant the coming year. The larger the bulb, the larger the clove. The larger the clove, the better opportunity the coming year. When you plant that large clove, you will have large bulbs. So, hope that helps. This question is also sponsored by Fleet Farm and fleetfarm.com.
I have hostas with shredded leaves. Are these slugs? Do I do the beer and tuna cans, or is there a better way? Should I cut off the damaged leaves? Love your show. I'm growing most leafy greens in used toddler pools. They're better than building raised beds. Okay, if you've got hostas and they're shredded leaves, yes, that is a slug problem. Number one, is it damaging the plant? Are you really concerned by such damage? If you are, or it's bothering you, yes, beer in tuna cans or containers slightly elevated above the ground, which you're going to have to dig and bury them for the slugs to be attracted by beer that is very high in the hops. They like the hoppy beer, and you have to reapply the beer after a rain, but it will work and it will deter it'll kill the slugs in the area. So you want to put the cup of beer or the container of beer to the corner of where the infestation is happening to draw or lure them out of your hostas or the problem area. All right, Holly, let's go to the hotline and go to Scott, who is listening to us either on, and I don't know the answer to this, either WNAX 570 out of Yankton, South Dakota, or KFEQ 680 out of St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yes, my name is Scott. I just had a question on chicken manure, putting it on for tomatoes and the rest of your garden, how to do it and how much, and if it's beneficial at all, if it's too strong or whatever. Thank you.
All right, Holly, can we help Scott with his chicken manure question in regards to tomatoes and the garden?
Absolutely. So with chicken manure, you do want to let it age about 6 months or more. So before you put it on your garden soil, you just put it somewhere, let time do its job, and then after 6 months, you can certainly use it in your garden. For more information, please visit the WisconsinVegetableGardener.com.